The Andromeda Milky Way collision is a galactic collision predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years between the two largest galaxies in the local group, the Milky Way, which contains the solar system and Earth, and the Andromeda Galaxy. Before starting the video, let's get some basic info about Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxy. Let's first talk about Milky Way Galaxy. Our Milky Way Galaxy is a spiral galaxy, which is spread over 1 lakh light-years across. Milky Way was formed 13.6 billion years ago. There are almost 300 billion stars in Milky Way Galaxy. Now let's talk about Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy was formed around 10 billion years ago. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy which spread over almost 220,000 light-years across. There are almost 1 trillion stars in Andromeda Galaxy. Now let's get back to our topic. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at about 110 km per second as indicated by blue shift. Such collisions are relatively common, considering galaxies' long lifespans. Andromeda, for example, is believed to have collided with at least one other galaxy in the past, and several dwarf galaxies and currently colliding with the Milky Way. The studies also suggest that M33, the Triangulum Galaxy, the third largest and third brightest galaxy of the local group, will participate in the collision event, too. Friends, few minutes back I told you massive numbers of stars each galaxy contain. Now a question arises that whether these stars would collide with each other? Let's find it. While the Andromeda Galaxy contains about 1 trillion stars and the Milky Way contains about 300 billion, the chance of even two stars colliding is negligible because of the huge distances between the stars. For example, the nearest star to the Sun is Proxima Centauri, about 4.2 light-years or 30 million solar diameters away. To visualize that scale, if the Sun were a ping-pong ball, Proxima Centauri would be about 1,100 kilometers away, and the Milky Way would be about 30 million kilometers wide. Although stars are more common near the centers of each galaxy, the average distance between stars is still 160 billion kilometers. That is analogous to one ping-pong ball every 3.2 kilometers. Thus, it is extremely unlikely that any two stars from the merging galaxies would collide. Most of us may know about universe monsters, which are nothing but black hole. Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxy both have a supermassive black hole in their center. Will these collide? Let's find out. These black holes will converge near the center of the newly formed galaxy over a period that may take millions of years, due to a process known as dynamical friction. As the supermassive black holes move relative to the surrounding cloud of much less massive stars, gravitational interactions lead to a net transfer of orbital energy from the supermassive black holes to the stars, causing the stars to be slingshotted into higher radius orbits, and the supermassive black hole to sink toward the galactic core. When the supermassive black hole come within 1 light-year of one another, they will begin to strongly emit gravitational waves that will radiate further orbital energy until they merge completely. Gas taken up by the combined black hole could create a luminous quasar or an active galactic nucleus, releasing as much energy as 100 million supernova explosions. As of 2006, simulations indicated that the Sun might be brought near the center of the combined galaxy, potentially coming near one of the black holes before being ejected entirely out of the galaxy. After this, will our planet Earth would be as it is always? Or would have been destroyed? They also predict a 12% chance that the solar system will be ejected from the new galaxy sometime during the collision. Such an event would have no adverse effect on the system, and the chances of any sort of disturbance to the Sun or planets themselves may be remote. Excluding planetary engineering, by the time the two galaxies collide, the surface of the Earth will have already become far too hot for liquid water to exist, ending all terrestrial life. That is currently estimated to occur in about 3.75 billion years due to gradually increasing luminosity of the Sun. When two spiral galaxies collide, the hydrogen present on their disks is compressed, producing strong star formation, as can be seen on interacting systems like the antennae galaxies. In the case of the Andromeda Milky Way collision, it is believed that there will be little gas remaining in the disks of both galaxies, so the mentioned starburst will be relatively weak, though it still may be enough to form a quasar. The galaxy product of the collision has been nicknamed Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. According to simulations, this object is likely to be a giant elliptical galaxy, but with the center showing less stellar density than current elliptical galaxies. We don't know that human civilization would exist to witness this moment or not. Maybe we would have been extinct or living on an exoplanet watching historic moments. That's all for today's video. Thank you.